Hey guys, this is Matt at Deadeye Gun and Pawn. Today we're bringing you a first. It's the very first Taurus G2S that we have had come into the shop here. S standing for slim. So the Taurus G2C has been a very, very big hit here at Deadeye Gun and Pawn. Now we've got the single stack slims for you guys. The new Taurus G2S features two single stack 7-round magazines. It also features an adjustable rear sight, just like the G2C, a safety on the left side, and a safety in the trigger. It does have a short Picatinny rail that will accept compact lights and lasers. The Taurus G2S is going to be a big hit. The Taurus G2C was huge here at Deadeye. We've sold tons of them. We've never had to send any off for repairs. If you've got a Taurus G2C and you think it's a little thick, maybe a little heavy, stop by and check out the Taurus G2S. They come with two 7-round magazines. They're in stock here at Deadeye Gun and Pawn for $230.